understand matter, we come to Form 1, definition of chemistry, and matter is done in primary, so we just review it. Then chemistry involves understanding the matter, the behavior of matter, and matter is anything. So when you eat solid, they melt, they have states of matter. So the student must be able to understand those states of matter. Then in the definition, talk about structure. So every element, every atom, there is a structure, there is a way the atom is made up, and atom is part of an element. It's the element when it's broken in the smallest possible level. We talk about atom. Then the student should be able to learn some basic experiment to separate some substances, compounds, some mixtures, we be able to separate them. Then we learn how we do reduction, oxidation, how the compound is formed, and how the mixtures are separated. We talk about distillation, sublimation, solvent extraction, chromatography, and these things, and also we have fractional distillation. Once you know that as a basic foundation, you come to learn about acid and bases. So a student learning chemistry must know those basic things, acid and bases. And that topic of acid and bases form the basics of chemistry reactions. We see the salt formed when we react a metal and an acid, a carbonate and an acid. Then we see hydrogen formed when we react metal with acid. So you should be able to see that reactions and you should understand how we form hydrogen, oxygen preparation in the laboratory, and other gases. We have nitrogen, oxygen preparation. We understand this in Form 1, and then we get to Form 2. With Form 2 here, we understand the structure of an atom. This topic forms the foundation of even balancing the chemical equation and even forming the chemical equation. So a student who doesn't understand chemistry well, the problem starts in Form 2, where we are told they should understand the periodic table, how the elements come, and these elements mix to form a compound, or a compound, which is a formula with a compound. So the formula of the compound is easily understood when you can be able to know the valency of the elements combining to form the compound. So, and the radicals combining to form this final compound. So the students who have a weakness with chemistry, a challenge with chemistry, the challenge starts in Form 2, where we talk about the structure of an atom and periodic table and chemical formulas, how we react and reactions between elements and we form the compound. Then we get to the topic 2, where we talk about chemical families. These chemical families, we talk about alkali metals, alkali earth metals. So this area also need a lot of knowledge which we pick from the periodic table to be able to know how the electron arrangement of the metals. The first group metal, which is group 1 metals, which are having 281 or 21, the one electron in the outermost energy level. Then group 2 we have alkali earth metals, which have 2 electrons in the outermost energy level. Then we look at halogens, the group 7, how they react. Then the noble gases, which never react. So this is a serious area also we should be able to understand. Then we check the trend across period 3 elements, which have 3 energy levels, and they occupy 3 energy levels which are occupied by electrons. And the last energy level keep on increasing the number of electrons in it. The students should be able to understand that trend and be able to explain what happens in the atomic radius and ionic radius of those elements, and the melting point and boiling points of these substances in period 3. Then we come to structure and bonding. It's another sweet topic you should be understanding. And the core concept of the structure and bonding still comes to periodic table, where we know about the valency electrons. So the chemistry is becoming a challenge if the student does not know Form 2 work and Form 1 work well. So the appetite of chemistry in Form 1 is when you understand how we separate mixtures. So separating mixture is important, and also the reaction of acid and bases, metals, elements with water, and the reactivity series, be able to explain reactivity. Why this one is more reactive than the other one. So this is just a brief about chemistry for this evening. I want you to enjoy chemistry. I'm just giving a brief of what my experience has been. I'm just showing you what I've learned and the secret I've known about chemistry. My friends, continue watching this. I'll be giving you ideas about chemistry as time goes by, and also mathematics and biology and even physics. How I managed to score the 3 sciences, how I managed to do the 3 sciences in high school, and how they were very much easy to do right from Form 1 up to Form 4. It is very nice to know these secrets, and I am sharing this free knowledge, free. I am sharing this free. Watch it on my Facebook, watch it on YouTube channel. It is free idea how we can develop a skill to pass these subjects. They are very easy to understand when we can go back to the foundation. When the foundation is strong, the rest will be easy. Thank you for watching this evening. Enjoy the rest of your stay and learn and succeed. Bye bye.